Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. LME 3-month copper. Okay, normal service has been resumed here. After yesterday's turned out to be a fourth consecutive indecisive pattern in a row. Yesterday we made a small but defined bullish engulfing pattern with a significant close on, or indeed just over, the lesser 61.8% Fibonacci line of the whole of the 2022 move at 93.59. Overhead we have congestion now at 96.06. That had capped last week's action, and then beyond that quite a wasteland, lacking in resistances until we reach the 99.07 to 99.95 area. Meanwhile below we have little support until the lesser 38.2% Fibonacci line, the October 2020 to March 22 move at 90.97. This lesser Fibonacci line had held up the market 2 weeks ago. However, the key support below is the upper bull channel line, currently at 88.70, which is highlighted in dark blue on my daily chart, and that is of the July 2022 to January this year bull channel. This has been an excellent bull channel, and it certainly deserves some potential targets for this pattern. Thus, a primary target X would be in the 95.63 area, and was almost reached last week, with a secondary harder to reach target X1 in the 99.83 area. Finally, something I'd overlooked yesterday, but which will become relevant next week. We are set up for a possible monthly key reversal for January. Thus, if we close either above 83.75 or below 82.84, then we'd be on. Right now, we are most definitely looking at a monthly key reversal up. Now, so far today, well, a higher open, well over the lesser Fibonacci line at 93.59, but followed by a dip down below the Fibonacci line before a gradual move back up, such that we are sitting just over the fib line right now and looking like a possible hanging man pattern at the moment. LME 3-month aluminium. A lower but still indecisive spinning top yesterday after the previous session's hanging man pattern. Now, hanging man patterns are interesting, as traditionally they are seen as a bearish reversal. However, the data indicates that something like 6 out of 10 times they end up as bullish continuation patterns. So it's interesting to see how the market would follow through. It seems for now, the data has won. One should also bear the following in mind when considering this. The market continues to get itself all caught up in the congestion levels that stretch from 25.63 below up to 26.75 above, specifically at the following levels: 25.63, 25.81, 26.08, 26.22, 26.50, 26.66 and 26.75. We have some more resistance at 27.18 and 27.53, but they look separate from these earlier ones. Yesterday, the market finished up in between the support at 26.22 and the resistance at 26.50. An important note now, one I've previously highlighted over the last 2 weeks' action, we've seen prices set up for a potential monthly key reversal. Thus, if we have a close on Tuesday the 31st next week, either over 24.92 or under 23.88, then we'd be on. Right now, we are very much looking at a potential monthly key reversal up. So far today though, well, a dip lower towards yesterday's low, but then a recovery such where we were testing up to the 26.50 overhead congestion, but we've pulled back away from it, and we're looking like an indecisive doji cross right now. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.